You know that smell of unburned fuel or exhaust that sometimes creeps into the cabin? Or maybe you were hearing a rattling, knocking noise from the engine bay. It just does not sound right? These could be signs of an issue with your exhaust gas recirculation system, specifically pointing to trouble code P040B. This code stands for Exhaust Gas Recirculation Temperature Sensor A Circuit Range or Performance. Back in the 1970s, engines used to just dump unburned fuel out of the tailpipe. But today, efficiency is the name of the game. Your EGR system recirculates a bit of that exhaust back into the engine to reburn it, lowering emissions and saving you money on gas. The temperature sensor is the watchdog here. It tells the engine control module how hot things are getting so it can adjust the flow. When the computer sees a signal from sensor A that is out of the expected range, it sets this code. Now, a word of caution before you dive in. You are working around the exhaust system, which gets incredibly hot. I mean skin-melting hot. So please, let the engine cool down completely before you stick your hands in there. Symptoms often include failing an emissions test or loud exhaust noises. The causes are usually a defective sensor, a leaking gasket, or even cracked wiring from all that heat. Start with a visual check. Look for black soot around the sensor or pipes, which is a dead giveaway of a leak. Heat destroys plastic and rubber, so check those wires thoroughly. A lot of times, the sensor is just clogged with carbon buildup, like plaque in an artery. Remove the sensor carefully. Sometimes they are seized tight, so you might need a pro with a torch to loosen it without snapping it off. Clean the soot off with carburetor cleaner and a wire brush. When you put it back, use some anti-seize on the threads so it doesn't get stuck again. It's a dirty job, but cleaning it can often clear the code without costing you a dime in parts.